students, today I am coming with another one CBSE question, that is paper code 5562, question number 20. A ray of light is incident on a face AB of prism ABC with the angle of prism A and emerges out from the face AC. The prism is set in the position of minimum deviation important. What we want to find is angle of incidence and angle of refraction on face AB. Type of derivation, okay. It is a straightforward derivation. 2 mark question this is. Derivation may be lengthy, you can skip the steps, but 2 mark only. Okay, we can start the solution now. You want to draw the diagram first. One triangular prism equilateral prism you want to draw. Name it ABC, and so the face AB is the light which is falling, and side AC is the side where light emerging out. Okay. So in this triangular prism, complete the drawing first. That you have to do. It is there in textbook also. And we are going to consider one quadrilateral and 2 triangles. From there we will write. So here consider the quadrilateral APNQ. Look into the diagram, okay? APNQ. You know that quadrilateral total angle is equal to 360. So write the angle sum property. So angle A, that is on the top, plus angle APN plus angle N plus angle NQA is equal to 360. Here you know that there are 2 normal, left side and right side, the green color one, blue color one, okay. So 90 degree, 90 degree. So I marked that 90 degree. So transfer these 2 90 degree, angle P corner that one and angle Q area. That 290 transfer to right side. So you can write angle A plus angle N is equal to 180, because 360 minus 90 minus 90. So 180 degree. So one equation is ready. So with the one quadrilateral, you can make one equation. This will end with the angle A plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now this is the time to consider one triangle. There are 2 triangles on below and above the refracted ray. First one is below the refracted ray. The triangle name is PNQ. Okay, triangle name is PNQ. Angle sum property 180 we are using. So look into the diagram carefully. Angle R1 plus angle N plus angle R2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now do the comparison of equation number 1 and 2. RHS are same. So you can equate LHS. Okay, equate LHS of second equation, angle R1 plus angle N plus angle R2 is equal to angle A plus angle N. So there you will get one new equation, equation number 3, after cancelling angle N and angle N. So equation number 1 ready, 2 ready, 3 ready. Now consider the triangle above the refracted ray. This time not 180 property we are using the property exterior angle is equal to sum of the alternate interior angle. That property we are using now. Okay. So in triangle, the triangle above the refracted ray, that is PMQ. If you look into the diagram, you will understand PMQ. The equation going to follow is exterior angle is equal to exterior, okay, not exterior. Exterior angle is equal to alternate sum of the alternate interior angle. Here you can see that the angle is not mentioned yet. I am going to mention the measurement method. So here, very easy way you can understand actually. You remember vertically opposite angle concept that we are using here. Left side you can see the incident angle, angle I you can see. Right side actually that incident angle is equal to sum of 2 pieces of angle. One is delta 1, one is R1. So what is this one is? This is vertically opposite angles are same property. So delta 1 is equal to, you can transfer the R1 to right side. So I minus R1 is the alternate interior angle, left side one. Now the similar method we are going to write for right side delta 2. So delta 2 plus R2 is equal to the emerging angle, that is E. From there you can write delta 2 is equal to E minus R2. Okay, these two. Now 2 angles are ready. Now this is the time to write the exterior angle. Here exterior angle labeled with delta minimum. is equal to left side angle is I minus R1 plus right side angle is E minus R2. Open the bracket and write. So I minus R1 plus E minus R2. Now write the plus terms together. I and E are plus terms. I wrote first I plus E. Then the next one, minus R1 is there, minus R2 is there. This minus R1 minus R2, put it in a bracket by keeping negative outside. So how will be the mathematical method is I plus E minus, common minus, okay, inside bracket R1 plus R2. Why we wrote R1 plus R2, you know, because equation number 3 says R1 plus R2 is equal to angle A. So done now. We numbered equation number 4. Now this is the time to bring that equation number 3 what we had before. R1 plus R2 is equal to angle A. So bringing that one here, substituting. So I plus E minus A. You can see here I am showing here equation number 3. So I plus E minus A, delta minimum. Okay. And when the condition applying now, when the angle of deviation is minimum, this is a theoretical concept, okay. That means that refracted ray we are talking. When the angle of deviation is minimum, what is the speciality is two lines will be parallel. The base of the prism will be parallel with the refracted ray. At that condition, I will be equal to E, R1 will be equal to R2. So we can write common letter R, and delta minimum will be known as angle of minimum deviation, capital letter D minimum. So these are the condition coming when the angle of deviation is minimum. Okay, now we proceed. We are going to substitute these values like I is equal to E, we will substitute, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, we will substitute, and also we will substitute delta minimum place is D minimum. So substitute the above values. We are going to substitute in 3 places. Okay, one place is this one, equation number 5 you can see. Okay, values in 3 and 5. So first let me write 3. Equation number 3 is, have a look, R1 plus R2 is equal to A. It is angle symbol, if you want you can maintain. Okay, R1 plus R2 is equal to A. So because of R1 R2 not there, only R is there, so R plus R is equal to A. Okay, so R plus R is equal to A meaning is 2R is equal to A. Then R is equal to, take 2 to the other side denominator, so R is equal to A by 2. One of the question is that one. Find angle of refraction. Found it. R is equal to A by 2. Mark distribution I will show you later. Now substitute the same variables in equation number 5, that delta minimum equation is equal to I plus E minus A equation. Okay, so delta minimum is equal to I plus E minus A equation. Okay, substituting now. So delta minimum is equal to I plus I, because E going to replace with I again. So I plus I minus A. Also delta minimum label I am going to replace now. In that place we will be using capital letter D, that is angle of minimum deviation. So I plus I is 2I minus A. Minus A taking to left side. So D plus A you can write, or A plus D. The common practice is writing A plus D. So A plus D is equal to 2I. Then I is equal to, other question is I is equal to. So A plus D divided by 2 is equal to I. So 2 answer got it. R is equal to A by 2 found. Also I is equal to A plus D by 2. Okay. These are the 2 things to find from this derivation. So sometimes there are derivation questions straightforward asking. And the mark distribution is total 2 marks only. Okay. I'll show you. Here for finding I is equal to A plus D by 2, half mark you will get. And for finding R is equal to A by 2, you will get another one half mark. And one more mark, I will mark upside. Okay, there are 2 equations. Here you can see that there you will get half mark. For finding these 2 equations, you will get another one half mark. So in this way, 2 marks allotted. I hope this is understandable. What do you feel? Difficult? Just want to spend time. If you have any question, please post it in the comment box. I will help you. It can be derivation or it can be a question. No problem.
Okay.
for watching.